Yo, day three of turning $100 to 10K, y'all. So, and we already in for a buy right now on gold, as you can see. And you know what, guys? I already sent a signal in a VIP group. So, if you're not in a VIP group, you're actually missing out a lot because every signal, every trade that I'm taking, I'm actually sending it in a VIP group, right? I will leave the link down below in description. Down below in description. So, right now, guys, as you can see, we are actually in a buy on gold. You can see the market is kind of like going up. So, hey, and you know, guys, it's during London, New York session, right? So the market is gonna be a bit crazy. It's gonna go up crazy. That's what I know. The market is it's been actually going up, you know. Yeah, but I actually don't trade like in I start trading like during London crash during London cash, right? So that's 15:30 South African time. You understand? So that's why I actually miss out on some big move, right? Yo, but that's it. You will never catch every move in the forex market, so you're gonna catch what you're gonna catch. But yeah, as you can see, guys, let's just see. Let's just see how the market is gonna go right now. We are expecting the market to go up. As you can see, the momentum is in. Oh, it's your boy Wizy, man. You already know what time it is, man. Yeah, we're actually up 42 USD right now. And as you know, since we started with this account, I actually took a little break, because I was actually busy trading my big account. So yeah, since we started, we never take a loss, right? So we're still good. We're still good, and I love the momentum that we started with. Two trades in a row, but let's see how this one is gonna end. But I know we're gonna win it. Okay, so I can see, man. Yo, let's go up, bro. Let's go up. We don't have time to play around. Yes, and the broker that I use, guys, the link will be down below in the description. Make sure that you trade with the best broker. As you can see, do you guys can see spread? They don't have too much spread, guys. Everything, as soon as you open, you're in a profit. That's one thing I love about this broker, and everything just pure. It's pure out here, man. Good vibe, good vibe. If you know how to trade it, you need a best broker, best believe. Yes, sir. Let's see how it's gonna go. Market is kind of going down. Come on now, come on, Mr. Gold. Don't do me like that, yeah. Don't do me like that. Please, let's go up. Please, please. But we just have to be patient, guys. That's one thing I know about. For as soon as you put your stop loss, you just have to let the market do its job. You don't necessarily have to trip like trying to move stop loss now. Just leave it. Okay, okay. Boom, boom, boom. Damn, what's going on? Okay, I think we have to close, gang. We have to close. Okay. Yep, we are done, gang. The account is now at the 439 USD, in 3 days. In 3 days. In 3 days. So y'all let me know, guys. Let me know how long do you think this is gonna take, yeah? Let me know how long. Let me know down below in the comment section. Let me know how long do you think the challenge is gonna take us. The last challenge we didn't complete it because I actually went to there for a holiday. But now this one we're actually gonna complete it, guys, and I'm actually serious about this one. And if you actually wanna start again, to start with us, the link will be down below in the fucking description, yeah. So join the VIP group. That's where I'm actually sending all my signals, and it's not only this one. I'm actually sending from a London session, right? So London session, we are catching up a good pips there. One, and then the second trade we're actually catching on New York session, right? So it's 1 to 3 signal per day. I actually thought of like two two to five, but that's kind of large. You understand? We actually need to focus on nice trades. We can't just be taking up every single trade. You understand, guys? So yeah, that's just it, guys. As you can see, we're done for the day. We're done like that. Easy money, easy. Yeah. So still then, guys, I will see you again on the next one. Bye.